Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing what will actually move watch time. Open analytics and focus on the first 15 to 60 seconds where viewers leave. Fix those immediately. Once done, pick videos with good CTR and moderate retention. They scale faster when improved. Make sure to collect raw footage, better thumbnails, timestamps, captions, and target keywords before editing. This saves repeated work. Now mark 3 videos to optimize today and move straight into targeted edits. You next reshape the content so viewers stay longer. Trim the intro to 5 to 12 seconds and place a clear hook within the first 3 to 5 seconds. That reduces early drop-off. Once done, tighten the middle by cutting redundant moments and adding chapter markers or narrative beats to keep momentum. Make sure audio is clean and subtitles are accurate. Add cards and end screens pointing to related angles to drive session watch time. Test one change per upload to measure impact. You finish by publishing with intent and measuring fast. Release the updated video, a /B test thumbnails and the first 15 seconds, and watch retention trends at day 1, 7, and 28 to decide next steps. Then promote playlist sequencing and related videos to convert single views into multiple plays. If results lag, troubleshoot. Verify upload bitrate and resolution, fix metadata, clear any copyright claims, and reassess your target audience. Mismatches kill watch time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.